Hello and welcome to a very special edition of Gear Knobs, where this week it's time for a race.
Absolutely right. Now our producers have set us a mammoth challenge of getting all the way from here at Oxley Residence to Liberty Dock on 3 modes of transport. Now, those modes of transport include public transport, car and bike.
That's right. Now, Oxley Residences and Liberty Dock are 2 of Leeds University's accommodations that are miles apart. They are at other ends of Leeds city centre, and we have one race, and that is who can get there first.
Right, now, in the run-up to this race, the producers have kept everything quite under wraps. We literally know nothing, but what we do know is that on the way there is going to be a challenge. Yeah. So, let's find out what that challenge is going to be.
Thank you very much, computer. So,
oh my.
Very nice.
That's littering.
Don't need that. Guys, well done for making it to Oxley.
It is far.
We weren't sure if you would. There's no hope.
We took a taxi.
So you will be embarking on a journey across Leeds to Liberty Dock. But that is not all you will be doing. We require that you take 3 selfies on your travels, 1 at Carnegie Stadium, 1 at Parkinson Steps, and 1 at the bus station. Now, in each selfie, the background must be visible, or we may not believe you are actually there. That's true, because we are quite good at Photoshop.
I can't Photoshop it then.
Now, there is a slight issue of what mode of transport you will be taking. One of you will be taking a car, one of you will be cycling, and the other will be taking public transport. We know you're all dying of anticipation, so before you are, 3 envelopes that can seal your fate.
Ah,
Here they are.
big envelope. Oh, here we go.
I'm excited.
Right, so
what do we want? What do we all want? Billy?
I feel like
want car. It's comfiest.
I could do with a nice aircon car ride down to Liberty Dock. Yeah. Okay.
Billy Trustwell.
oh,
He's in the car. Come on.
Oh! Oh, fair play! Public transport, here we go!
Amazing. How are we feeling about that? How are we feeling about that?
it's 4.7 miles.
It is.
I mean, you're going to be sweaty.
I'm in jeans.
That was a mistake on your part, to be honest.
That was an error.
I'm going to have radio going.
Oh yeah.
Aircon.
I'm on public transport, so
driver.
I'm gonna have a chat to a few people,
Yeah.
see what's what.
Oh, we've got another. Oh, I've got part 2. This can only end up worse for Jacob.
Imagine those legs on a bike.
I'd love to see that. Jacob, this is directed to me, this one, perfect. As you know, you are now on the bike, but we have noticed you're not properly dressed. In this bag... Uh-oh.
What does it say? Keep going.
In this bag, you will find your attire. And so you can pause to receive the bag.
Right.
So I'm guessing
The bag's coming on now.
Oh, here we go.
This is amazing.
Oh,
This is a get it out. Show everyone.
it's not okay. Mrs. Producer, I'll give you that back.
Leeds is a busy place as well. Many people.
That is full spandex. Ooh.
That is red spandex, man. We will wait for you while you get changed. Enjoy. This is the producers.
Let's go.
What a day. Let's do it. Where's the car?
Does anyone know where the bus stop is?
Where's the car?
Right, so
I am so glad I got the car.
I'm all right with public transport. I think.
Yeah.
I think it. You know,
At
it's
least
not.
you can't really go wrong.
At least
Unless you get a wrong bus.
At least I can't get hit by a bus. Unlike
True,
unlike
yeah,
Jacob.
yeah.
So
Well, you could, but let's hope you don't.
yeah. Well, that would
But
be pleasant.
can you imagine being on this thing?
The state of this
The state of this.
is awful. What is that? Why are you wearing your jeans over it?
I want to have a little bit of dignity left in me.
Oh, did you? I think that's long gone, mate.
The thing that's annoyed me most, you can see the Deadpool. It's blatantly not.
No, what's going to annoy you
cycling
most,
here.
mate, is the fact that your outfit matches with your mode of transport. Shall we reveal?
Ready?
And all your dignity leaves now.
Look at its beauty.
Look at this,
Bike
mate.
and go.
I'm going to bike and fall over, that's what
This is state of the art. Bill, should we,
Black and red.
should we introduce him to some of the features? Right. So first of all, if anything,
don't care.
if anything gets in your way,
I don't care.
It's got a bell.
I don't care.
Secondly, there's a lock in case you have to lock it up.
yeah.
There's this thing.
Don't care.
What?
That just adds weight.
Don't care.
And there's a basket holder
Exactly.
for your groceries.
Don't care.
Or if you pick up anyone on the way, they can just kind of park themselves on the front, you know?
Well, it's alright, because when I fall off my leg more, I can put my leg back on there.
Yeah, sit on it. Sit on it for us. Let's see what you look like on it. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that is a sight to behold. Oh dear.
It looks like you're doing a vote later.
What is these handlers?
Right, well, we're going to leave you to sort out whatever the heck that is that you sat on.
Yeah, we've got our more dignified.
And I'm going to go sit in a warm car.
I'm going to go talk to the bus driver
I'll see you at Liberty Dock.
in a bit.
How do you make it go?
So, while Jacob got used to life on two wheels, the producers left me waiting for my driver. And after seeing his bike, I was less than optimistic.
You must be my driver.
For you?
This is for me, okay. Thank you. Okay, Billy, when you're not familiar with the Leeds one-way system, it can be a little tricky to navigate. So we thought we would help you out. We will give you a sat-nav. Only problem is, we had a little trouble setting it up. The instructions are in Spanish.
Scrambling for his nearest Rosetta Stone, Billy prepared for his journey, while I helped Jacob get ready for his.
Ow! It hurts. Is that to protect me from when I crash? To stop it hurting, but it's not working because that hurt. No! Ow!
It's not to stop it from hurting,
It does.
It's to stop your skull from cracking.
I feel like it cracks then. There's holes in it. There's holes in it.
Yes.
I feel I've got an itch. I can scratch my head. It's perfect.
Not like this.
Get off.
Get it.
Yeah, that's right. Nice. Ow!
Once Kyle had finished being a prat, we reported to the start line, and the race was on.
Oh, he's a cheater! He went early!
It's a right, Georgie. I know that. I said right, mate. I said right! We've gone wrong on the first turn.
Right, I'm at the end of Oxley. Now I have to find where the bus stop is. There's someone over there. Let's go this way.
Have you been told to do this?
No, never.
You have, haven't you?
No, absolutely
Right, well
not.
then we need to turn around. Sabotage already, right.
I want to get the bus stop going. Oh, there's a bus coming! There's a bus coming! How well timed is that? Yes. No bus waiting for me.
With everything going almost immediately wrong, I'd now have to find a way to get back on track. To make it worse, Kyle and Jacob had picked up flying starts on their way to the first selfie destination, Headingley Carnegie. It is from there we'd been instructed to head through Hyde Park towards Parkinson Building for the second and onto the bus station in town for the last, before a final sprint to Liberty Dock. But before any of that could happen, Kyle ran into an inevitable problem.
Traffic.
The upside of traffic, though, is that it sticks the car, which is what we're hoping for, because if Billy doesn't know the way to go, he's not going to know where to direct his driver.
Can't hear my Spanish thingy.
Yeah, we definitely are coming onto some sort of main road.
Oh my god. Right, hit a right if you can.
Right.
Oh, Christ alive! Oh, we got wrong so quick!
Continúa con Cardinal Road durante media milla.
It's okay.
But it wasn't. While Billy hurtled toward what was probably Scotland, my bus had beaten the traffic. So I'm going to get off here and we're going to go to Carnegie Stadium to get the selfie. Get ready to run, cameraman. Look for the fight. Thank you. Right. I can't see any of them. I reckon we're the last ones here.
So we need to be heading to Headingley, and we are currently heading to Bradford. It's not the best of starts.
Is there a name of where we are?
No.
Having no idea where the other two were, and with no traffic and no saboteurs, nothing was stopping me from jumping into the lead.
Okay, we're here at the stadium. I need to take a selfie. Let's do it. Hasn't got a phone. What is that? Got one.
But at least so the first checkpoint is Headingley Carnegie, so I just need to look for a big stadium for floodlights, basically. There they are.
Is that heading floodlights?
They are floodlights. Head that way, Georgie.
With Billy back on track and almost back in the race, the poster boy for Vote Labour was already taking his second selfie.
Meanwhile, I was being decisive. We need to take the next left whenever it comes to. Oh yeah, it's coming up to HPP.
You want to go left up here?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
I feel like you told me left.
No. Left here. No.
You want to go left here?
No. We want to go straight on here.
You want to go straight on?
Yeah, man. Because
I don't even know
we're
what
heading that way,
that
aren't we? Okay, we are getting so close. Oh yes, I totally know where we are. How have I ballsed this up?
I'm not really. Well, I am.
Shut up.
Oh, she doesn't stop.
Right, I'm on the second public transport towards Parkinson. I'm going to phone Billy.
Hello, Mr. Shields.
Billy, my man, how are you?
I'm good. Do you want to know the truth? I'm just about to take my first selfie. How are you?
Really? So you just arrived at Headingley?
Yeah, whereabouts are you? Could you wait?
We've left now. What?
Take my selfie. I'm gonna have to go. Bye. Stop the car.
He had to take a selfie. Not the first time he hung up on me to take a selfie, but you can probably tell by looking at him.
Right, this is the problem, okay? So, I know it's near the corn exchange, but the problem is I got no idea where I am now, and like, I'm looking around, and I've lost the camera crew completely. I have no idea where any of them are.
So we're going past the Faculty of Engineering now, which means Parkinson is literally just round the corner where we will be taking our second selfie. Billy, I reckon, is going to be there. It's going to be so tight.
Where am I going?
Can't hear it.
Where am I going? Right and left.
You are driving up the wall.
The bus has gone the wrong way. Damn it. The bus went a bit off course. I needed to go that way, but we're still on course to see it.
I see Kyle.
What? He's there.
There they are! Phone! Selfie!
Let's go.
I'm lost!
Right there.
Right, left. Where am I going?
City.
Left again.
Yes, that sounds good.
I thought you didn't want to go into the city.
Yeah, I'm changing my mind.
My God!
This is where it gets fun.
We were both now hot on Jacob's heels. Focusing too much on his pout and not enough on directions, Jacob had let Billy and I back in the race. All I needed was some speed. Now we've got to wait for another bloody bus. It's gone now. But we're locked. Here it is, here's the bus.
I'm on. Right. Am I staying here? Well, I am now.
Yeah, you are now. We probably should have.
Go right down to the centre of town to the bus station where we hopefully beat them.
So please, can you? Yeah, good.
Well, we've got to go to the bus station, don't we?
Oh no, we do. That said bus station.
Yeah,
Fuck.
do we take it?
No, it'd be bad. Bugger.
Where am I going? Right or left?
Can you go left? No, it's blocked off. Of course it is. Road closed.
That's typical, isn't it? Okay, now we don't like it.
As annoying as that was, I wasn't the only one making mistakes.
Right, so little disaster. We got on the wrong, in our haste at Parkinson, we got on the wrong form of public transport. We should have got a different one that goes straight to the bus station. We are on one to the train station. So I'm gonna have to get off in town and leg it to the bus station.
Am I here first? Am I first in?
Yeah.
Station is short. Done.
I just love how I'm nice and warm and listening to music and Jacob's on a bike
Oh,
somewhere.
wait, listen, I feel like music, a bit of disco is the key.
Probably in the back end of Headingley still. Good.
Car may have overtaken us by now.
To know that this time of day, buses are going to take a long time.
12 hours later.
They weren't that far off. I badly needed to get to the bus station soon to stay in the race, but between me and it, there was the entire city centre. Still, at least I knew where I was.
Okay, so I made it this far. That's the Oracle. Problem is, I don't know where to go from here. I haven't seen Billy or Kyle. I think Billy will be probably next behind me. But it's me being able to go through town where he's just got to get the ring road around, but I've just got to get to I've got myself, it's done. I just need to get to Liberty Dock. I don't know where it is. That's going to be the problem. But we'll see. Liberty Dock was in touching distance, and Billy and I were neck and neck. And I may have been lost, but I was nearby. All Billy had to do was direct his driver and learn his left from his right. Carl, on the other hand, was slightly further back, still looking for the station.
Right, left. This
Right,
left,
left.
here. Left here. Left
Right.
here. Left.
Where am I going?
Left.
Am I going left?
Left.
We're left now.
Right, left. So we're so close, minutes away.
Problem here, I just don't know where. I'm guessing it's one of the.
No, left. You are.
Like a boss.
That's the only problem I've got. I've got no idea where anyone else is.
Where the Porsche goes. Always
Follow the Porsche. Always follow the Porsche.
warm my throat for the
Celebration speech.
Your lovely cameraman will provide you with a skateboard.
All now round.
No, that's not going to work. I'm going to run. Let's go.
We're here.
Well, we are soon. It's that building there.
Yes, Leeds, I must got to be close.
Right, it's the next left. It's the next right. It's the next right. Get out the car. Get out the car. We're going out the car. Georgia, even star. Let's go see if we've won. Have we done it?
I've never been more tense in my life.
Positive Kyle's not about. Jacob, in fact. No. Did anyone else hear it? Shut up! How have you got here?
I spent 20 minutes trying to find it. I've lost 3 people where it is.
Both beat Kyle. I know we did. That's better.
Come on. You smug boy. You couldn't have been looking any less smug. Look at that. That is not of us.
Carl here yet? Is he here?
Oh, he is here. Oh, well done, mate. Well done.
Well done, mate. Oh, mate.
Oh. Go on.
Winner! Come on!
Twice. Where are we? I need a pepperoni and a lie down. I'm going home.
You have to skateboard home now.